Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure WhatsApp is updated and your phone is online. This avoids upload failures. Once done, open the Status tab and tap My Status or the camera icon to begin. Choose the media or text you want because the right format affects visibility and size. Make sure to set Status Privacy Now, Contacts, Custom, or Only Share With so you control who sees it. This first step gets you ready and prevents accidental sharing, so move to Editing next. Now you refine the update. Crop, add text, stickers, or drawings to make the message clear and engaging. You should add a caption, location, or mentions to increase context. Remember, aspect ratio like 16:9 works well for videos. Once edited, tap the privacy menu to confirm whether it's My Contacts, Accept, or Only Share with a few people. This matters because it determines who sees reactions and replies. After confirming, post the status so it uploads and becomes visible. To finish, check My Status to view who saw it and to read replies. Swipe up on each frame for details. If you need to remove a frame, tap it, then delete. Alternatively, save or forward important frames to your gallery or a chat for later. If something goes wrong, first verify app permissions, sufficient storage, and a stable internet connection. Clear cache and retry. If that still fails, change privacy briefly and repost. This often resolves visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.